Welcome back, construction crew, in OSHA 30 Study Guide, the ultimate source for exam preparation.
Have you ever paused to think about the tools that shape our world? The hammers, saws, and drills that power our industries? While these tools are indispensable, they can also be dangerous if not handled with care.
Today we will learn Hand and Power Tools, Module 10. Here's the recap of Module 9.
In the events. That's why it's crucial to understand the risks.
Can significantly reduce the risk of injuries. Keep your back straight and lift with your legs, not your back. Avoid every 10 bags high. Drums, barrels, and kegs. Store them symmetrically, block bottoms. Essential for ensuring safe materials handling. Alright, let's ensure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss a safety lesson. Now to make it easier for you, we have broken down the module into 4 chapters: Fire Safety Precautions, Basic and Power Tools, and other safety considerations. Let's get started. Chapter 1, the 5 Safety Precautions. Every tool is a potential hazard if not used correctly. That's why we have the 5 safety precautions. First, keep tools in good condition. A well-maintained tool is a happy tool, and a happy tool is less likely to cause accidents. Regular maintenance keeps your tools in top shape. Second, use the right tool for the job. Don't try to force a tool to do something it's not designed for. Use the right tool for the job to prevent accidents and damage to the tool. Third, examine tools before use. A quick inspection can save you a lot of trouble. Check your tools for damage before you start using them. A cracked handle or loose part can lead to accidents. Furthermore, manufacturer's instructions. Manufacturers provide instructions for a reason. Follow them to the letter. It's like following a recipe. If you skip a step, you might end up with a disaster. Last but not least, provide and use PPE. Don't be a hero. Protect yourself with the right PPE. Safety glasses, gloves, hard hats, they're your best friends on the job. By following these 5 safety precautions, you can significantly reduce your risk of accidents and create a safer working environment. Remember, every tool is a potential hazard if not used responsibly. Now, let's consider these questions and discuss with your team. Let's move to Chapter 2, Basic Tool Safety. In addition to the 5 safety precautions, OSHA emphasizes the following key practices for safe tool usage. Regular maintenance. Keep tools sharp and in good condition to prevent accidents and ensure optimal performance. Using the right tool. Always select the appropriate tool for the task to avoid damage and potential hazards. Inspecting tools and work areas. Check tools for damage before use and maintain a clean, trip-free work environment. Following manufacturer's instructions. Adhere to the guidelines provided by the manufacturer for each tool. Using correct PPE. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to protect yourself from injuries. Avoiding unsafe tools. Never use tools with damaged handles, loose parts, or other defects. Now, let's consider these questions and discuss with your team. Let's explore to Chapter 3, Power Tool Safety. Here are the dangers of power tools. They are incredibly efficient, but also highly hazardous if used improperly. Their potential for causing serious injuries is immense. From flying debris to electrical shocks, the risks are real. Do you know about power source and safety precautions? What are power sources? Power tools can be electric, pneumatic, liquid fuel, hydraulic, or powder-actuated. Each type has its own unique safety considerations. Here are some general safety precautions. Never carry tools by their cords or hoses. Disconnect tools when not in use, before servicing, or when changing accessories. Keep cords and hoses away from heat, oil, and sharp edges. Wear loose clothing and avoid jewelry. Use tools with constant pressure, positive on-off switches. Remove damaged tools from service. Secure work with clamps or a vise to free both hands. Never remove guards while tools are in use. Now here are specialized power tools. Pneumatic tools. These tools, powered by compressed air, include nail guns, drills, staplers, chippers, and sanders. They pose a significant risk of being hit by tool attachments or fasteners. Use muzzle safety devices for nail guns. Secure air hoses properly. Powder-actuated tools. These tools are used to drive fasteners into hard surfaces. They require proper training and daily testing to ensure safety. Avoid using in explosive or flammable environments. Inspect tools thoroughly before use. Load tools only when ready to use. Never leave loaded tools unattended. Keep hands clear of the tool barrel. Never point a tool at anyone. Store unloaded tools in a locked box. Remember, power tools are powerful tools. Treat them with respect and always prioritize safety. By following these guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and injuries associated with power tool use. Now, let's consider these questions and discuss with your team. Here's the final chapter: additional safety considerations.
Have you seen accidents caused by improperly used or guarded construction equipment?
Let's learn how to prevent these tragedies by following safety guidelines for jacks and mechanical power transmission devices. Here are jacks. When using jacks, it's essential to follow proper setup procedures. Ensure the base is on a firm, level surface. Check the manufacturer's rated capacity and never exceed it. Lubricate and inspect the jack before use. Apply lift force evenly. Use a jack with a stop indicator. Now, mechanical power transmission devices. These devices, such as flywheels, pulleys, belts, and gears, can pose serious hazards if not guarded properly. OSHA requires employers to protect workers from rotating parts and in-running nip points. Here are some specific guarding requirements. First, overhead horizontal belts and chains. Belts and chains 7 feet or less from the work surface must be guarded on all sides. Guards should run the entire length of the belt and follow the pulley line to the ceiling or nearest wall. If this is impractical, the belt must be completely enclosed. Belts over 7 feet high must be guarded if they are over passageways or workplaces and travel at high speeds. Second, vertical and inclined belts. These belts must be enclosed by guards or protected by guardrails. It should be 42 inches high with mid-rails and posts no more than 8 feet apart. All guards for inclined belts must create a 7-foot clearance between the belt and the floor. Then, gears. Gears must be completely enclosed or protected by band guards. It should cover the gear faces and have flanges extending inward beyond the root of the teeth. Gears under 6 feet from the floor may require disc guards or complete enclosures. Furthermore, pulleys. Pulleys 7 feet or less from the floor must be guarded with sheet metal or wire mesh. Balance wheels may be guarded with discs covering the spokes. Finally, couplings. Shaft couplings must be constructed to prevent hazards from bolts, nuts, set screws, or revolving surfaces, bolts, nuts, and set screws can be used if covered with safety sleeves or if they are countersunk and do not extend beyond the flange of the coupling. By following these guarding requirements, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and injuries associated with mechanical power transmission devices. Now, let's consider these questions and discuss with your team. That is it for Module 10. Remember, safety is paramount, and proper guarding is essential for a safe workplace. Here is quiz link in the description to help you prepare for final exams. Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Stay tuned for the next module, where we'll tackle a whole new set of safety challenges. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach courses.